I retired at 62 after spending more than 40 years working as a software engineer. Most people imagine retirement as a time to slow down. But I didn't. I redirected my energy towards something I've loved since childhood, the human body. For decades, I worked with structured systems, software architectures that scaled predictably, processes that could be measured and optimized. In engineering, systems behave predictably. If something breaks, you debug it. If performance drops, you optimize the design. The human body, however, is far more complex. It operates with precision, adaptability, and intricacy that surpasses any software I've designed. As a child, anatomy fascinated me. I didn't just memorize the heart's parts. I wanted to see how electrical impulses made it contract. I didn't just label brain regions. I wanted to watch signals travel and integrate, coordinating thought and action. To me, the body has always felt like the most remarkable system we know. So when I retired, I asked myself, what if I combine everything I've learned, systems, thinking, modeling, computation, to help people understand anatomy? Progress isn't linear online. Growth comes from patience, experimentation, and creativity at every step, which is a new challenge for me. Instead of trying to control that uncertainty, I began to approach the channel the same way I approach learning step by step, experiment by experiment. Since each animation is a small exploration, it allows me to understand the body more deeply while sharing that understanding with anyone curious enough to watch. The human body is extraordinary trillions of cells communicating, adapting and sustaining life every second in ways that inspire awe. Even learning about a tiny part of this system gives a profound appreciation for life and the intricate design that keeps us functioning. This is why education matters. Understanding how our bodies work gives people the tools to make healthier, smarter choices in daily life. And now, modern tools make teaching and visualizing anatomy more powerful than ever before, turning complexity into clarity. Artificial intelligence allows us to model and visualize biological systems in ways that were almost unimaginable just a few years ago. At the same time, robotics and advanced medical technology are transforming how doctors treat disease and repair the human body. We are entering a remarkable era where technology and biology work together, unlocking possibilities for learning, medicine, and discovery. For someone who loves both science and technology, retirement has become a time of endless curiosity and opportunity to keep learning. Today, it's the skeleton of foundation that holds everything together. Studying it in 3D helps me and my viewers truly understand how our bodies are built. Next, I explore the muscular system. Seeing muscles move and interact in real time reveals the incredible coordination that powers every movement we take for granted. I examine the digestive system. Watching food travel, seeing organs work together, it's not just science, it's how our bodies sustain life every day. The circulatory system is next. Blood vessels, arteries, veins all pulsing and flowing. Visualizing it makes the life visible and fascinating. The lungs expand and contract. I can share the miracle of respiration in a way that is simple yet astonishingly detailed. Now the brain. Neurons firing, signals traveling, networks forming. Seeing it in 3D brings the most complex organ in the body to life for everyone. Surgical robotics show us the future of medicine. Technology is becoming a partner, helping with precision that was unimaginable before. I even collaborate with AI in my studio. Together, we visualize anatomy in ways I never could have imagined alone, creating interactive, educational experiences. When the entire human body is visible in holographic form, it's awe-inspiring, a living, moving masterpiece. This chapter of life isn't the end of work. It's the beginning of curiosity, a chance to learn, create, and share knowledge with anyone who wants to explore.